Hi, I'm Bill Gross. I'm a real estate broker in Los Angeles, California. I'm also the host of Probate Weekly, a national podcast for professionals in probate and trust real estate agents, attorneys, vendors. And today I want to talk about Executorium, which is an amazing tool that I think any of us who are professionals in this field can use to most importantly create value for our customers. And as a result of that, add more business to us. And the most important thing is it's free. Now, there are some paid add-ons, and I would encourage you to investigate them. But certainly for free, you can spend weeks and the next months launching your business using nothing but this service. And I'm going to share a couple tips how. So go to executorium.com, executorium.com. And this is the front of the website. And there's 4 key tiles here that I think are worth your attention. Now, the bottom 2 tiles are free content that for every real estate agent says, what do I put on my podcast? What do I put on my social media? What do I email out to my customers? It's all done for you. They have articles in the bottom left corner called articles. If you browse them, each one of these are articles that you can re-share onto your social media and explain. So find one that you find interesting, read the article, and then post that to your social media, and you have content ready to go. You can summarize the article in an email and provide the link to it and send that out to your customer database. And over time, you will become more valuable to your customers because you've curated valuable information for them. Yet the name is the same thing. This is also a curated repository of information and links. And again, step by step, go through different articles that you can learn about. Find the ones that you think are interesting and share those in your social media. And I would say at least once a week, send out good information to your customers via email. So these bottom 2 tiles are free resources to give you content to help you build your business. Now, the top right corner makes you more effective as a real estate professional in this field. What do I mean by that? Directive government resources. Well, if you click on browse, you'll see a number of resources, but really, everybody here should be the expert in their particular county. So if I picked a county, let's say in Northern California, Alameda County is where Oakland, California is. And you put show county. In addition to some federal government resources, you have California resources, but specifically in Alameda County, you have simplified probate resources. You have the probate process diagram, and you have the Alameda Court. So let's take a look. Probate court overview. This is on the Superior Court of Alameda County, and has various information about where the courts are and how to file and about the notes and learning about probate, forms, the probate calendars. This is the keys to the kingdom. Here's a diagram that shows you what the process looks like. Again, great content you can send to your customers. And because it's government, you're able to share it for free. And then actually, I think this is the same link, again, to the probate court. But when people say about the notes or about the forms or the calendar, it's all right here. And anybody who works Alameda County should know every single detail on this page because A, it's free, and B, it's valuable to your customers. So that's what the link on the top right, which is, let me go back to it, which is Directory of Government Resources. Now, to build your business, after you start putting social content, the bottom 2 quadrants, after you've read through and researched the material to help you be better at your job, the top left corner is really where your prospecting or lead generation comes from. Because you click on this, and what you do is you get a list of all the key types of vendors that you might know people that can support your customers. And what you should do is go through your database and identify, tag or identify anybody by, are they an accountant, an appraiser? Do they work for donation services? They work for a charity that you'd want to support. I had a friend who used to work for Goodwill, estate administration services, state auctions, and so on. And all these are great resources that you should identify and call the people. And what you do simply, and I'll show you how this works, go to your county. Again, I'm just going to pick, just because it's interesting, Alameda County. And what you'll find is, for example, there's only one appraiser, there's one donation service, there's only one administration of estates. So you can call your people and say, hey, I have this great resource to promote your business for free. It's called Executorium. And I notice there's only one, none. Well, there's a couple, but I'd love to have you on there. And what you're offering your customer is a free directory. Now, to do that, you should yourself already go into your directory. If you log in, create an account, you can create a profile. And on your profile, it will ask you to put in your company information. And that way you'll stand out as one of the vendors on the website. And so what you do then is offer your customers the exact same thing. They should go in and create a profile and get a free listing. It does a couple things. One, they're listed. Number two, it creates more search value to their website because by listing their search in their various social media accounts, there's more attention on them. The cross-link is what gets more attention. And so it gives you an excuse to call everybody in your database to offer this free service. Then additionally, if you're, say, for an example, whatever county you're in, Alameda County, here's vendors, my guess is you don't know them. And you might want to call them and say, hey, I noticed Clark's Auction Gallery, you're on the appraiser list. Tell me about your business. How can I promote you? Maybe you do a video interview of them, or maybe you write some notes about their business and you post a social media promoting their business on your social media for your customers to benefit from. You might call St. Mary's and find out what do they do. So all these are ways, there's two ways you can go here. Your customers who are not on this list, and you offer them the ability to have a free listing on the account. Then you go through the directory and see the people who are on the list that you don't know and meet them, find out about them, find out how you can build business with them, how you can do business together. Don't ask for referrals, find out how you can help build their business. And if you do that, if you help them build business, as Zig Ziglar used to say, you can have anything you want in life if you help enough other people get what they want. So again, what are the four opportunities here? The opportunities are that you can find social media content to post in your social media. You can learn about the government resources that are available for you to be smarter, better about your business and help your customers, as well as post about them on social media. You can get your own directory to promote your business, and then you can promote the directories for those people that you do business with in your market that are not already on Executorium. And finally, the fifth piece is you then can call the people in the directory and network with them, build business with them, and help in turn build your business. So I think those are 5 great tools for free. Now, on top of that, you can advertise, you can go in multiple counties, multiple services. There's other tools as well, but I would say let's get started on the free services, build business, and then any business you get from that, reinvest that into Executorium's posting to make it more valuable for you. What do you think? Is this helpful? Do you have suggestions? Have you used the source? Let me know. Call, text, email me, put comments in the video down below. I'm at Bill Gross Probate. And as always, make today your best day ever. Thanks so much.